here at the ticketing area at the lobby. WTC, thank you. Again, more exhibitors.
I think Mr. Ratwick will be joining us here on stage also. Mr. Ratwick, there we go. Can you give Mr. Ratwick a round of applause for giving us a great show for the 2010 Millionaire National Officer? Okay, now let me call on the Board of Judges. Let's give them a round of applause. And special awards. Our first category for the night is the best runner-up for best 2K inspiration sport, and the runner-up for best 2K inspiration sport goes to the Nissan Skyline GTR, car number 30 from Tycoon.
We have a representative from Tycoon.
Any representative from Tycoon? Best 2K Inspiration Sport runner-up, Skyline GTR. Congratulations. Our next award is the Best 2K Inspiration Sport. Our Best 2K Inspiration Sport goes to the Ferrari 599 GTB, also from Tycoon.
Oh, same guy.
Same guy. Best 2K Inspiration Sport, Ferrari 599 GTB. Okay, our next award is the Best 2K Inspiration Modified Runner-Up. And our winner is the Subaru Orange from FM Garage.
Any representative from FM Garage?
Representative from FM Garage, you're the winner for the Best 2K Inspiration Modified Runner-Up.
That is car number... Going once.
Yeah, the orange Subaru.
Going twice.
Okay, so I think
Probably here.
okay, let's go to the next award. This is the Best 2K Inspiration Modified. And the winner is the Mitsubishi Evo 10 color red from the Evo Club. So any representative there?
There you go.
Best 2K Inspiration Modified winner, Mitsubishi Evo 10. Congratulations. Okay, our next category is Best 2K Inspiration Runner-Up. Our winner for the Best 2K Inspiration Runner-Up goes to the Toyota Vios from J-Works. Any representative from J-Works? Oh, there you go. Best 2K Inspiration Runner-Up. Congratulations. And our Best 2K Inspiration Champion goes to the white Honda Jazz from the Stoplight TV team. Oh, Our next award goes to the runner-up for Best Contemporary Modified. And the winner is the Honda Civic, the red one, the red Honda Civic from Stage 21. Any representative from Stage 21? Runner-up, Best Contemporary Modified. The red Honda Civic from Stage 21. There it is.
There you go.
Okay, congratulations, and our Best Contemporary Modified goes to the Evo 5 Color White from Motul and from Alex Restoration. Best Contemporary Modified White Evo 5 from Motul and Alex Car Restoration. Okay, congratulations. And our Best Contemporary runner-up goes to the Mitsubishi Pajero, car number 20. The 4-door Mitsubishi Pajero, car entry number 20. Any representative from the red Mitsubishi Pajero under face-off team? Maroon Mercedes-Benz 124 from Stoplight TV.
Anybody from Stoplight TV?
From Mothers.
From Mothers.
Okay. Okay, so that's it. The owner's not also here. Alright, Boss Alvin, maybe you want to announce the winners in the Best Classic and the Best Golden Era?
Okay, thank you. The runner-up for the Best Classic Modified is Toyota Starlet from Cartistics. Old school.
Best Classic Modified runner-up goes to the Toyota Starlet from Cartistics.